Hi everyone, today I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes. I'm going to make this amazing egg curry that is loved all over Northeast, and I'm going to give it my own spin by using MAGGI Masala-ae-Magic. So let's get started.
Firstly, prepare the eggs and chop the tomatoes. Heat some mustard oil in a pan, add some turmeric and fry the eggs until the skin turns crispy. Take the eggs out and in the same oil sauté the onions. Cook for a while, then add the ginger garlic paste and cook till the raw smell goes away. Then you can add the tomatoes. Add some salt and cook the tomatoes until they turn pulpy. Add some chili powder and give it a good stir and allow it to cook for a bit. Then add some water. Once the gravy has come to a boil, drop in the eggs gently. Gently coat the eggs with the curry. MAGGI Masala-ae-Magic is made with 10 spices roasted and blended to perfection. MAGGI Masala-ae-Magic adds an extraordinary taste to your everyday recipes. I use MAGGI Masala-ae-Magic in all my dishes, whether it's dal, curries or dry veggies. It always makes my dish taste amazing. Our dish is ready and it smells amazing. I'm going to taste this. Oh my god, wow, this is just perfect. The addition of MAGGI Masala-ae-Magic has really made the egg curry taste extraordinary. It is absolutely yummy and you must try this.